the price of sugar is increased by 20%. By how much kg of consumption is decreased? So as the expenditure will increase by 5% only when he originally consumed 280 kg sugar. The price of sugar is increased by 20%. So take expenditure is 100. So sugar is increased by 20% means expenditure is also increased by 20%. So value is 120. So the expenditure is also increased by 5%. The current expenditure is 105. So before the expenditure is 120, the current expenditure is 105. So how much percentage you have to decrease it? So decreased -15. So we have decreased -15 for 120. So into 100. So -1/8 into 100. So this value is 12.5%. So you have to consume the total consumption. So decreased consumption is 12.5% of total consumption. So total original value is 280 kgs. So 12.5% value is 1/8. So 1/8 into 280 value is, we have to decrease 35 kgs. So here -1/8 is a real number. We have to convert the fraction into percentage. Here once again we are converting the percentage into a fraction. So what is the meaning of -1/8 into 100? Where 8 is a original value. So -1 is a decreased consumption. So total original value, original you have to consume, total original sugar is 280. So 80 units represents 280. So what is the decreased consumption is represents 1 unit. 1 unit represents by 8. Value is 35 rupees. So for suppose what is the current consumption? So 8 is the original value. So this one is a decreased consumption. So current value is original minus decreased. So value is 7 units. So current consumption is 7 units can represent into 35. So 245 kgs. The price of sugar is increased by 30%. Due to this, a family use 40 kg less sugar. So as expenditure will increase by 10% only. Find the original consumption. Price of sugar is increased by 30%. So 30% is increased 3/10. So starting price is 10 rupees per kilogram. Okay, so expenditure is 10 rupees. Next it is increased by 30%. that means increased by 3. 10 plus 3 value is 13 rupees per kilogram. Now the expenditure is increased by 10%. 10% is plus 1 by 10. So expenditure is 10 rupees. It is increased by 10%. That is 11 rupees. So consumption is the price into consumption is equal to expenditure. So price is 10. We take x is equal to 10. So value of x is 10 by 10. So 1 kg. So here consumption is 11 by 13 kgs. Here he uses 40 kgs less sugar. So difference 1 kg minus 11 by 13 kgs. The value is 40 kgs. So take difference 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 by 13 kg is equal to 40. So 2 by 13 is equal to 40. Value 2 times into 13. So total 260 kgs. So original consumption is 260 kgs. So how can I solve this question on paper? So the expenditure is, the price is increased by 30%. That means the expenditure is also increased by 30%. So value is 130. So the expenditure will also increase by 10%. Now the current, the expenditure is also increased by 10%. So 110. So how much percent? What is the value you have to decrease? Okay, so the difference is minus 20. Minus 20, the percentage is, it is decreased by 20 from 130. So minus 20 by 130 into 100. 0 0 cancelled. Minus 2 by 13. So this is the original value, that is the reduced consumption. Reduced consumption. So reduced consumption. So a family uses 40 kgs less. That means 2 units represents 40, the 1 unit represents 20. So original consumption is 13 units. So into 20, the value is 260 kgs. So current consumption, since the original value is 13, it is decreased by 2 minus 2. That means the current is 11. So 11 units represents into 20. So value is 220 kgs. So the price of sugar is decreased by 30%. Due to this, a family purchase 32 more kg. Purchase 32 kg more sugar. So as expenditure will decrease by 16% only. Find the current consumption. So starting, take expenditure is 100. It is decreased by 30%. That means the expenditure is 70. So expenditure will decrease by, so current expenditure is decreased by 16%. So 16% of 100 is 84. 16% 100 is 16. 100 minus 16, value is 54. So how much consumption you have to increase it? You have to increase it plus 14 for 70. You have to increase 14 by 70 into 100. So 1 by 7. So this is the original value. This is the increased value. So current consumption is 6 units. So a family purchases 32 more kg. That means here increased value is 1. So 1 unit represents 32. So 1 unit represents 32 kgs. Then current consumption represents 6 units. So 6 units represents into 32. 192 kgs. The price of sugar is increased by 20%. Due to this, a family purchase 12 kg less sugar for rupees 300. So find a original consumption, current consumption, original price, current price. So the price of sugar is increased by 20%. So take expenditure is 100. So expenditure is increased by 20%. That means 120%. Okay, here you have to decrease 20 for 120. So minus 20 by 120 into 100. So value is minus 1 by 6 into 100. So family purchased 12 kg less sugar. That means 1 unit represents 12. So original value is 6. So 6 units represents 72 kg. So original consumption is 72 kg. What is the current consumption? Current consumption is original minus decreased. So value is 5. 5 units represents, so into 12, 60 kg. So find the original price. So total 72 kg. Original price is equal to 300 by 72. So 1 by 20. 1 by 24 is equal 4 1 by 6 per kilogram. So current price is 300 by 60 kg. So value is 5 rupees per kilogram. So how can I solve this question another way? So the price of sugar is increased by 20%. So what is the 20% of 300? So value is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 60 rupees. For this 60 rupees, he purchased 12 kg less sugar. That means by 12. So value is 5 rupees. So the current price is 5 rupees per kilogram. So current consumption is, so total value is 300 rupees. For 1 kilogram 5 rupees by 5, so value is 60. So current consumption is 60 kgs. So original consumption is 60 kgs plus 12 kgs. In our problem, family purchases 12 less sugar because of increasing the 20%. That means the current consumption is 72 kgs. So original price is total by 72. So value is 41/6 rupees per kilogram. The price of sugar is decreased by 20%. Due to this, a family purchase 20 kg more sugar for 400 rupees. Find original consumption, current consumption, original price, current price. So take expenditure is 100. If it is decreased by 20, that means 80. So families, due to this, family purchases 20 more kgs. So increased percentages, it is increased by 20. So 20 by 80 into 100. So value is plus 1/4. Here 1 is the original consumption, original value. So plus 1 is the increased value. So family purchases 20 kgs more. That means 1 unit represents 20. So the original consumption is 4 units. 4 units represents 80 kgs. So current consumption is increased by 1. So 4 plus 1. So value is 5. So 5 units represents into 2. Value is 100 kgs. So original consumption, original price. So original price is 400 by original consumption is 80 kgs. 0 5 rupees. So current price. So current price is 400 by 100. So value is 4 rupees. So how can I solve this question in another way? So the price of sugar is decreased by 20%. That means 20% of 400. So 20% is 1/5. 1/5 into 400. So value is 80. For this 80 rupees, a family purchases 20 kg more sugar. That means by 20. So current price is 4 rupees. So current price is equal to 4 rupees per kilogram. So current consumption is equal to 400 by 4 rupees. The value is 100 kgs. Okay. So the price of sugar is decreased by 20%. So 20% value is 1/5. Decreased by 1. That means 4. The current value is 4. The 4 is represent 4 rupees. Then the original value is 5. 5 can be represented as 5 rupees. So original price is 5 rupees. Vara. The current consumption is 80 kgs. The price of sugar is decreased by 20% due to a family purchases 20 more sugar. That means the current original consumption is 100 kgs minus 20 kgs. So value is 80 kgs. So original price is 400 by 80. So value is 5 rupees.